What up guys, welcome to a quick tutorial on how to record your voice in Fruity Loops. I've made a track in a Native Instruments machine and I just wanted to record my vocals using a USB microphone, and I'm using a MacBook, and I just want to see how it's set up in Fruity Loops so I can bring back the WAV file and then I can play around and add extra effects on it in Native Instruments machine. So you want to bring up your Fruity Loops. I'm using Fruity Loops 12. You want to go into first your options and then your audio settings. Over here where it says show ASIO panel, click on that. Your input is going to be the USB. I'm using a USB microphone, PNP sound. Your output, you can leave it as is, default output. And you want to close that up and then go back to your mixer in Fruity Loops, which is over here, and you want to choose either channel 1 or channel 2, and this will now record my vocals in this channel number 1. This little button over here, if it's clicked, you will hear yourself. It's like a delay talking, so you want to make sure you want to maybe just switch that off in the meantime. And just over here you've got your delay and your reverb effect. If they are ticked on green, it will add those effects to your recording, so I'm just going to leave it ticked off for now. And yeah, I'm just playing a background beat that I've made in machine, choosing the BPM as 87. You can close the mixer, little button here, close it up, and then you want to hit your record button. You can record audio into the playlist as an audio clip. You can record whatever you want. 1 2 3 testing microphone, represent microphone, check, and that will come up in your Fruity Loop sequencer as a WAV file. And then what I do is select file, and then you can export that as a WAV file. And then back into Native Instruments machine, that WAV file I've saved on the desktop, and then I just drag it across onto a new channel over here. So drag it across. This is what it sounds, just my voice recording. I've added a compression and then the effect using the mouth VST from Native Instruments.
No dark gritty beats for the streets. I'm in the kitchen learning just to make hits. So hot kicks and snares from the oven. Chicken heads pumping this cause they love it. No dark gritty beats
And pretty much that's about it. So it's just a quick tutorial. Record your voice in Fruity Loops. I'm using a USB microphone and using a MacBook, and then you just bring the wave recording back into Native Instruments, and then you can play around and add extra effects. You can probably do that in Fruity Loops itself, but for now I prefer using Native Instruments. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching guys.
I'm in the kitchen learning just to make hits.